Insuladd, a thermal barrier paints and additive, an energy-saving technology available from Worldwide Trade Company Incorporated. That's at www.insuladd.com. In USA and Mexico and all parts of the world. The age of low-cost energy is Insuladd. Oil production in many countries is declining. Cost of energy production is increasing. Geopolitical risks in Middle East are high. Renewable energy can't take the place of oil. What is Insuladd? Well, Insuladd is a paint additive containing very advanced and coated ceramic microspheres. These microspheres have the same heat reflective properties developed by NASA for insulating tiles of the space shuttle. Insuladd should not be compared with cheap ground glass products or low-cost imitators. Why was Insuladd developed? In 1996, NASA had a problem with the coating on the solid rocket boosters that help power the space shuttle. A new product, Insuladd, was born and developed with NASA to reduce the temperature of the solid rocket booster casing. It later became a NASA spin-off product, United States Patent Application number 61/359,492. Again, more about Insuladd. Advanced coated microspheres create an insulating barrier that actually reflects radiated heat and prevents the transfer of heat to the walls and ceilings. If this radiant heat is not stopped, it would be absorbed by the standard wall or ceiling insulation and eventually pass through to the colder exterior. Insuladd makes existing insulation perform better. As you can see here, reflective barrier keeps winter heat in and summer heat out. As you can see, she has no problem rolling it on and putting it on in other ways. You can see Insuladd works in multicolors of paint. Areas of heat loss. Look at the home there to your right. Up the roof, 25%. Out the walls, 35%. Through the door, 15%. Floor, 10 to 15%. Windows, 5 to 10%. We don't want this to happen. That's where Insuladd comes in. How to use Insuladd? One pouch will treat 1 gallon of paint. It's as easy as pour and stir. Enjoy energy savings year after year. Enjoy indoor air comfort all year long. Here we have year-round protection Insuladd. Without Insuladd in summer, you can see the heat going right into the house. To the right with Insuladd in the summer, the heat reflects. Without Insuladd in the winter, the heat dissipates. With Insuladd in the winter, it keeps the heat in nice and warm. Why use Insuladd? Reduce your energy bills and create a more comfortable living environment. Insuladd has proven to save up to 35% of your heating and cooling costs. It is the paint job that pays for itself. It's easy to use, just mix and stir. It can be sprayed, rolled, or brushed. Insuladd can help to prevent mold and mildew, contains moisture-resistant additives and inhibits condensation. Insuladd will work for you year after year. It was developed through the NASA Technology Exchange Program. It's non-toxic and it's completely safe. Now let's look at the WTM test. 2 plastic tubes, exactly 600 by 600 by 600 millimeters, were constructed. 1 box painted with the B&Q value, white emulsion, 2 coats applied. Second box painted with B&Q value emulsion with Insuladd added, 2 coats applied. Each box fitted with 170 watt heating capacity with power monitors and fitted with digital thermostats and remote temperature monitoring. Ambient air temperature plus 23 degrees Celsius, thermostat temperature 35 degrees Celsius with a delta T at 12 degrees Celsius. Trial duration 10 hours. Power consumption room 1, standard paint, 375.5 units. Power consumption room 2, Insuladd paint, 334.2 units. That is a power saving of 11%. Now let's talk about the Beijing test. It was done in China National Center for Quality Supervision, Test OD Construction Engineering, Beijing. Test date January 2008. 2 identical rooms on the upper floor of a brick apartment building. Outside air temperature 0 degrees Celsius. Inside temperature 20 degrees Celsius. Test duration 52.5 hours. Power consumption room 1, standard Libong paint, 61.8 kilowatt hours. Power consumption room 2, Insuladd paint, 53.1 kilowatt hours. That is a savings of 12%. Other things about Insuladd. Geoscience Limited. It's an independent testing facility. Tests carried out for 7 years. Test results are freely available on the website at www.insuladd.com. Please feel free to go there. Clients of Insuladd, just to name a few: Ford Motor Company, Hyundai, Japanese National Railroad, Samsung, Lockheed Martin, Pratt & Whitney Aerospace, homes in the U.S. and in other countries as well, U.S. paint companies, oil refineries, IBM, hospitals, and this is just to name a few. Insuladd, we can be reached at 214-300-8349. For sales, Worldwide Trade Company, we're a proud distributor of Insuladd in the United States and Mexico and all parts of the world. Again, you can go to www.insuladd.com. Thanks for watching this presentation.